It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors. They're also power folding, the programmable memory seat, and the child lock button. We've got some door storage and cup holder down below, as well as a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, and some interior and exterior lighting buttons and dials. A power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, and Denali embroidery in both headrests. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio buttons. This is our digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, rear window slider, and we've got a place to store your sunglasses. The rear view mirror has OnStar. This is GMC's Infotainment Center. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera with guidance. Below that is our DVD player, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, box lighting, park assist, lane departure alert, hill descent control, the power retractable running board button. We've got some USB ports and power plug-ins. And on top of our center console is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille, black tow hooks, fog lights, LED headlamps, 22-inch Denali wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, remote start, power retractable running boards down below, a tonneau cover, the rear window slider, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. We're able to drop that tailgate down with ease. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner and cargo hooks. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a cup holder. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets and dual rear DVD players. The back of our center console has some storage compartments and a power plug-in. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to raise these rear seats up for some additional storage. So come take a look at the 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.